Good afternoon, friends. This particular class is more concerned about the quiz questions of the first module of entrepreneurship. So, my objective is to make this subject entrepreneurship first module more understanding to you students. So that's why the question is set like that. And this is also a revision of the entire first module. So you can get the opportunity and advantage by this particular slides that I have prepared for the quiz of the first module of entrepreneurship. Look at everybody. The question is the word entrepreneur derived from which word? There are different kind of options are the French, Greek, Roman, English, and we know that it is being derived from the word French. French is the right answer. Then which is not the characteristics of an entrepreneur? ये कौन सा characteristic है जो कि entrepreneur के पास नहीं होता है? Persistence, fearful, assertive, innovator. Fearful is not the characteristics. Fearful में जो भय में रहता है उसको क्या बोलता है? Fearful बोलता है. So fearful is not the characteristics of the entrepreneur. Then which is not the innovation? इनमें से क्या है जो कि इनोवेशन नहीं है? इंट्रोड्यूसिंग न्यू प्रोडक्ट, इंट्रोड्यूसिंग टू ए न्यू मार्केट, इंट्रोड्यूसिंग न्यू एम्प्लॉइज, इंट्रोड्यूसिंग न्यू मेथड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. इनमें से क्या है जो कि एक इनोवेशन नहीं है, जो कि जोसेफ एस कंप्यूटर ने बोला है इनोवेशन क्या है? सो इनमें से अगर बोला जाएगा तो इंट्रोड्यूसिंग न्यू एम्प्लॉइज जो कि एक इनोवेशन नहीं है. So according to computer, either you are introducing new product or new market or new method of production or new service or new industry or new sources of raw material also that can be treated as innovation. So this option is not the right option. It is not a innovation. Introducing new employees. Then which is not correctly matched? There is a column is there for entrepreneur. There is column is there manager. According to the characteristics of entrepreneur and manager, this column are made, and we have to find out which is not the right match. Here risk taker is their entrepreneur, risk avoider is their manager, boss is the entrepreneur, employee is the manager, profit motive is for the entrepreneur and salary fix for the manager, decision taker is the entrepreneur, decision maker is the manager. This is the last one which is not correctly matched. Entrepreneur is the decision maker whereas manager is the decision taker. In this ground, this is not the right match, or we can say that is the odd one which is having the different. Then which is not correctly matched for the entrepreneur? Entrepreneur creates job, increases monopoly, develop communication, increases GDP. इनमें से कौन है जो कि करेक्टली एंटरप्रेन्योर से मैच नहीं होता है? इंक्रीजेस मोनोपोली, ये करेक्टली मैच नहीं होता है. मोनोपोली क्रिएट नहीं होता है. It is the dispersion of power from one person to another person in case of entrepreneurship. So it never increases monopoly, it reduces the monopoly. So which is not true for choosing entrepreneurship as a career? It is independent, it is innovative, it is fixed salary, it creates wealth. So which is not true for choosing for entrepreneurship as a career? Why you choose as an entrepreneurship as a career? So what is not true in this particular thing? It is fixed salary. It is not true. There is a abundant amount of profit and the salary is not fixed for the entrepreneur. There is a unlimited profit. So this is the characteristics which is not matched. So all the first one, second one, fourth one is right for this particular choosing entrepreneurship as a career or to be an independent in the life, to be innovative or to create wealth is the correct for the choosing the entrepreneurship as a career. But entrepreneur never having a fixed salary, so fixed salary is the not the correct answer for entrepreneurship as a career. Then which is not correctly matched? Fabian entrepreneur, affinity to take risk, initiative entrepreneur, imitative entrepreneur, underdeveloped countries, innovative entrepreneur, develop new market, drone entrepreneur believes in traditional. Out of these four type of entrepreneur which is not correctly matched, it is the first one. Fabian entrepreneur never take any kind of risk. It is written affinity to take risk. Affinity means they are attracted to take risk, but here in case of Fabian entrepreneur they are very much hesitate to take risk. So this is the odd one which is not the correct one, so it is not correctly matched. Whereas innovative entrepreneur, they can develop new market or they can develop new technology. Drone entrepreneur, they always even though faces losses, they try to go for the traditional way of doing the business. Then imitative entrepreneur we can found in underdeveloped countries, where they simply copy the product or service or technology of the innovative entrepreneur. So out of these four, the first one is incorrect, which is not correctly matched. Then say true or false. You have to say whether that is true or false. Innovation is important function performed by entrepreneur. Is it true or false? Definitely innovation is quite required to an entrepreneur. Without innovation, there is no such entrepreneurship. So the first statement, this statement is true or false, it is asked. It is definitely a true, because innovation is quite vital for any organization, any entrepreneur, because innovation can make your product distinguished or unique from the marketer, from the market, from your competitor. So in order to sustain your business for a long period of time, you should be innovative one. So innovative is the main function or important function performed by entrepreneurs. So this statement is true. Then identifying and generating idea opportunity is important stage of starting business. Identifying and generating idea opportunity is important stage of starting business. Yes, this statement is also true. Why? While starting any kind of business, you have to identify the ideas, that is creativity, and you have to see the opportunity. What is the business opportunity there? Through market research, you can able to know what is the opportunities there. So that's it. While starting any kind of enterprise or business, this idea is required. Identification of idea and opportunity is also required. So that's why this statement is also true. It is asked whether the statement is true or false. Yes, it is definitely true. Then an entrepreneur does not take risks. This statement is totally not true. That is false. That means entrepreneur has to take risk in this world. Without taking risks, without affinity to take risks, there is no such entrepreneurship. So risk is the charm of life. The entrepreneur must have to take the risk in order to sustain their business in the long run period. So an entrepreneur does not take risks. This statement is false. Then professional entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who start a business unit but does not have interest in management it after establishment. What is written, everybody? Professional entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who start the business unit but does not have interest in managing it after establishment. Whether this statement is true or false? Yes, this statement is true. They simply start the business and they does not have any interest in the managing of those establishment or their organization. So this statement is not true, true, or this statement is quite correct. The process of creation of venture is called what? Entrepreneurship. It is written, the process of creation of venture is called entrepreneurship. Whether this statement is true or false? Yes, this particular statement is true, because process of creation of venture is called entrepreneurship. Next question is, entrepreneurs have negative impact in rural development. Is it true or false? Definitely it is false. Entrepreneurship have positive impact in rural development, not negative impact. Whenever any entrepreneur start their business in the rural area, the rural areas get developed. So that's why while discussing about the how entrepreneurs are helping for the economic development, we discuss about that entrepreneurs are having a positive impact to the not only the urban areas but also rural areas. So as it is written negative impact, so this statement is not true or it is a false statement. Entrepreneurs require both creative behavior and innovation. Creative behavior, that is creativity, and innovation is required to an entrepreneur. Whether this statement is true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Entrepreneur require continuous market research factor which can influence to the particular customer and how the particular entrepreneur can attract the customer. So these are all factors which leads to market research, and market research is quite required for any kind of entrepreneur. Entrepreneur require continuous market research. So this statement is also true. Social and economic factors does not influence entrepreneur. Social, there are different kind of factors. Are there economical factors, non-economical factors, and government support factor which influence to the particular entrepreneurship creation. So social and economic factor does not influence. It is not that social and economic factor both influences. What social factors and economic factor? Economic factor means raw material, labor, capital, economic policy, economic condition of an economy. Then social factors, that means education, the caste system, the income level of the people. So this all influences to the entrepreneur. So this statement what is written, social and economic factor does not influence the entrepreneur. It is influencing. So this statement is false. Entrepreneur is the boss of the organization. Entrepreneur means those employees of the organization who brings innovation in the business. They are known as entrepreneur. And entrepreneur are the boss of the organization. Here written entrepreneur is the boss of the organization. So this statement is not quite correct. It is incorrect. So entrepreneur is the boss of the organization. It is a false statement. Social entrepreneurship is undertaken with profit motive. So, social entrepreneurship is undertaken with profit motive. Is it true or false? It is a false statement. Social entrepreneurship is undertaken with the motive of positive impact to the society by solving different kind of problems. So this statement is quite false. But business entrepreneur, we can say that that is undertaken with the profit motive, whereas social entrepreneurship is taken with the social motive. So profit motive it is written. So this statement is false statement. Filling the blanks. Days entrepreneurs are also known as agripreneur. So days entrepreneur, those entrepreneurs who are dealing with agricultural products, agro type of businesses, they are known as what? Agricultural entrepreneur. And days entrepreneurs are also known as agripreneur. Agricultural plus entrepreneur is known as agripreneur. So agricultural entrepreneur also known as agripreneur. So on the filling the blanks, on the blank, what we have to write? Agricultural. Agricultural entrepreneurs are also known as agripreneur. Days entrepreneur copy techniques and technology innovated by innovative entrepreneur. ये कौन सा entrepreneur है जो दूसरे entrepreneur का technology को copy करता है, imitate करता है? वो कौन सा entrepreneur है? Those entrepreneur are known as imitative entrepreneur. Okay, so imitative entrepreneurs, on the blank we have to write imitative. Next, entrepreneur has to dace the decision. Entrepreneur has to dace the decision. So what will come? Entrepreneur has to dace the decision, has to implement. If the entrepreneur who has to take the decision, and entrepreneur has to implement the decisions only. Manager bears days risk and uncertainty. Manager bears no risk and uncertainty. Where entrepreneur bears risk, entrepreneurs takes risk, but managers does not bear any kind of risk. So in the blank, what will come? No risk and uncertainty. Uncertainty and risk is not borne by the manager. So manager bears no risk and uncertainty. Days entrepreneur refused to bring any changes in method of production already introduced. What are the method of production already introduced? They are very much hesitant to apply or bring any kind of changes in the method of production. They are the Fabian entrepreneur. Fabian entrepreneurs are very much hesitant to apply any changes in the method of production which is already introduced. On the blank, what will come? Fabian will come, not drawn. Entrepreneurship leads to days in GNP. Entrepreneurship leads to days in GNP. Entrepreneurs के द्वारा जो GNP क्या होता है, बढ़ता है या घटता है? Entrepreneurship leads to days in GNP. Entrepreneurship leads to increase in GNP. GNP means gross national product. Entrepreneur के द्वारा जो देश का जो GDP है, GNP है, वो क्या होता है? बढ़ता है. Okay. Similarly, एंटरप्रेन्योर लीड्स टू डेथ इन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. एंटरप्रेन्योर आने से जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ेगा या घटेगा, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आने से और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बनने से अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या होगा, घटेगा. सो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप लीड्स टू डिक्रीज इन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. ये क्या होगा टेस्ट में और ब्लैंक में, डिक्रीज इन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. नेक्स्ट, द सराउंडिंग ऑफ बिजनेस इज नोन एज डेस. सराउंडिंग, the place where the entrepreneurs are doing the work, and the surrounding of the enterprise or entrepreneur is known as what? The surrounding of business is known as business environment or simply environment. So business environment is the thing, the surrounding of business is known as business environment or environment. The term green entrepreneurship is used for this. Green entrepreneurship is used for ecopreneurship. The green entrepreneurship means which is less hazard to the environment, the product which is biodegradable in the soil, which is less impact to the environment, which causes less pollution in the particular environment, that is known as green entrepreneurship or ecopreneurship. So under the filling the blanks, what will come? The term green entrepreneurship is used for ecopreneurship. Eco means what? Ecology. Ecology means what? Environment. So environment entrepreneurship or ecopreneurship, under the dash, under the blank, ecopreneurship will come. Entrepreneur who operate in international market is known as what? If you are operating not only domestic market as an entrepreneur, but also you are operating in international market, on that the entrepreneur could be treated as international entrepreneur. If Ratan Tata operating in US, then we can tell that his business, that is Tata, is a international business, and he is known as an international entrepreneur. So entrepreneur who operates in international market is known as international entrepreneur. Recently, Mark Zuckerberg purchased 10% of shares of Reliance Jio. So Mark Zuckerberg's company Facebook is a US based company, whereas the Jio company is an Indian company, where we can say that Mark Zuckerberg is a international entrepreneur. Entrepreneur new idea that enhances the culture of a region or a country is known as what? Those entrepreneur who creates different idea to enhance the culture of a particular region or country, उनको क्या बोलेंगे? जो एक कल्चर को कंसिडर करता है, एनहांस करता है, बढ़ाता है, उस एंटरप्रेन्योर को हम कल्चरल एंटरप्रेन्योर बोलते हैं. Best example is Ramdev Baba, who understand the people choice and preference of our Indian people, the Ayurvedic product or herbal product. So that's why whatever the products are designed, that is based upon our culture only. So that is known as what? Cultural entrepreneur. Similarly, McDonald company also gives the vegetarian product to the Indian people, Indian customers. So that's why the McDonald company's owner could be treated as the cultural entrepreneur. Entrepreneur who lays emphasis on integrated technology with entrepreneurship is known as what? Those entrepreneurs who are integrating the technology with entrepreneurship, they are known as technopreneurship. Technology plus entrepreneurship is known as technopreneurship. Take an example of Google, take an example of Microsoft. They are integrating the technology in their business, which can be termed as technopreneurship. Also, I cited the example of Paytm also, where the technology plays a most important role. So if an entrepreneur just integrate the technology in their business, then that is known as technopreneurship. Entrepreneurship providing innovative solution to social problem are known as what? If whatever the problem in the society is there, such as poverty, unemployment, illiteracy is there in the particular society, if the particular entrepreneur who do understand those problems and gives the innovative solution to those problems, have a positive impact to the society, they are known as social entrepreneur. So entrepreneurs providing innovative solution to social problem are known as social entrepreneur or social entrepreneurship, which is called resting phase in creativity process. There are different phases of creativity. Stage 1, preparation, means here's while first of all you have to know what is creativity. Creativity means getting new ideas is known as creativity. Okay, preparation means you have to imagine your yourself. Then incubation means you have to make your body rest, you have to wander the world with your thoughts, that is incubation. Next one is what? Illumination, some idea will generate, that is illumination. Next one is verification, you have to verify what are the ideas coming, how far it is feasible or not. So in the question which is called resting phase in creating creative process, that is the answer will be stage 2, that is the incubation process, where your body is in rest. Creativity known as what? Imaginative process, productive process, generating ideas, or none of the above. Imaginative process, productive process, generating ideas, or none of the above. Simply imagine will not help for the creativity. And if you are generating certain idea, then that is creativity. So generation of new ideas is known as what? Creativity, which is not an economic factor. There are different economic factor, as I told, as well as non-economic factor, as well as government factors also, government supportive factor which influence for the entrepreneurship. Here asks what is or which is not an economic factor, whether raw material, labor, psychology, or capital. Out of these four, which is not an economic factor? Raw material is an economic factor, labor is an economic factor, capital is also economic factor, whereas psychology it is not a economic factor. So psychology is a non-economic factor. So psychology should be the odd man out. That is, psychology is not an economic factor. Which is not a social factor. इनमें से क्या है जो कि एक सोशल फैक्टर से जुड़ा नहीं है? कैस्ट, फैमिली, एजुकेशन, स्टेटस, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, कल्चर. यहाँ पे कैस्ट, फैमिली, एजुकेशन, स्टेटस of the employee or status of the entrepreneur and culture of the entrepreneur. 1 2 3 4 5, these five except this fourth number all are social factor, whereas infrastructure is a economic factor which influences, where all the case, family, education, status, culture is a social factors which influences to the entrepreneurship. You have to see the caste. Generally we told the community caste in the city of Berhampur in the Odisha, they are very much acquainted with the business class people. Similarly Barnias, that is in West Bengal, and Chitarias, that is in Tamil Nadu, and Settis in Karnataka, different kinds of business class people they belongs, and case plays the most important role for the carrying out the business. Similarly Patels in Gujarat and the Marwari family in Rajasthan also, they are very much important for taking the business to the next level. Family support is also required, family's income level, family's ancestors property is also necessary, family support is also required for any kind of entrepreneurship. You have to possess a different qualification to be an entrepreneur nowadays, because a lot of people from the IIMs or B school they are passing out and they are carrying out their business. So education plays a most important role, because entrepreneurs are not only being created but also it can be made through proper training, proper teaching also. Then next one is status. The status of the particular entrepreneur is also important, whether they are feeling sense of security inside the particular society or not. Where what is the status? Whenever you are be an entrepreneur, your respect will increase, your recognition will increase. तुमको सोसाइटी में तुम्हारा जान पहचान मिलेगा, तुम्हारा पहचान आएगा, तुम्हारा स्टेटस बढ़ेगा, तुम्हारा इमेज बढ़ेगा, तुम्हारा प्रेस्टीज बढ़ेगा. सो ये सब स्टेटस भी सोशल फैक्टर जो कि इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. कल्चर, तुम किस कल्चर से जुड़ा हो. कुछ कल्चर में बिजनेस को अच्छी नजर से नहीं देखा जाएगा, सो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कभी क्रिएट होने में मुश्किल है. कुछ कल्चर में दे विल गिव मोटिवेशन, they will stimulate that particular entrepreneurship culture. So culture plays a most important role also in the matrimonial market also. If some candidate is doing the job, then that is good for getting the marriage proposal. If they are doing the business, the marriage proposal is not there good. So that's why culture is plays a most important role. Then infrastructure is a economic factor that influences for the entrepreneurship. So infrastructure is the odd man which is not a social factor. Collection of market data and interpreting it is known as what? If you're collecting the data, can it known as research or market research or organization research or innovation? What is that? collecting of the particular data and interpreting the market data, that is known as market research. Market research plays a most important role for the creativity as well as solving different kind of social problem and work related problem. You have to go for market research. दिस इज नॉट द एलिमेंट ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. इनमें से कौन सा जो कि एक एलिमेंट नहीं है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का? इनोवेशन, गोल ओरिएंटेड, रिस्क टेकिंग, फैमिली प्लानिंग. आउट ऑफ दिस फोर, क्लियरली that shows that family planning is not the element of entrepreneurship. But you should be goal oriented, you should be innovative one, you have to take risks in case of entrepreneurship. So first three are the element of the entrepreneurship, whereas the last one, family planning, is not the element of the entrepreneurship. Which is not a economy policy. Okay, so economic policy also influences for the entrepreneurship creation. So under economic policy there are different kind of things are there. So here ask which is not a economic policy: economic system, economic condition, monetary policy, retirement policy, exim policy, fiscal policy. इनमें से क्या है जो कि एक इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी नहीं है? इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी नहीं है पूछा है. So retirement policy should be the correct answer. Retirement policy is not a economic policy. Economic system means what? Who is taking control of the business, whether private sector or public sector. Economic sector can be divided into three categories. One is capitalist, socialist, and mixed economy. US and UK are the capitalist economy. Why? Because private sectors are playing a much more important role in marketing, distribution, and production of goods and services. Whereas socialist countries this particular USSR or China, they are taking care that government is having the much more priority in business, dealing with every transaction in the business. So socialist or mixed economy like India, where both public sector as private sector also important. Then economic condition: GDP, GNP, income of the nation, per capita income, inflation, exchange rate, interest rate. These are all coming under economic condition, which is coming under the economic policy. Monetary policy, the policy formulated by Reserve Bank of India, the CRR, the repo rate, time to time change, different kind of credit policy, that is monetary policy. Then exim policy, export import policy of a particular country. Then fiscal policy, government's income and expenditure, that is coming under fiscal policy. Except retirement policy, all other policy, all other things are coming under the category of economic policy. So इनमें से odd क्या है? Retirement policy. Which is not a demographic factor. इनमें से demographic factor कौन नहीं है? Age, sex, education level, population size, per capita income. इनमें से कौन सा एक demographic factor नहीं है? इनमें से per capita income एक डेमोग्राफिक फैक्टर है जो कि इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर में बोल सकते हो. पॉपुलेशन साइज, एजुकेशन लेवल, सेक्स, एज, these three are known as what? These four are known as demographic factor. Which is not the personality of entrepreneur? Which is not the personality of entrepreneur? Creativity, hard worker, analytical mind, egoistic, foresighted. Creativity means we know what is creativity: generating new idea. Hard worker, the analytical thinking, analytical mind. The way ordinary people are thinking, they are thinking differently. Their mind is analytical. And foresight, they can visualize the future. And the egoistic, little bit pride, little bit arrogant, that is egoistic. This should not be the characteristics of entrepreneur. So odd is egoistic. Correct match. Now we have to match correctly. These are the first case is mentioned, and in the first column, and second column state is mentioned. Which case belongs to which state? Banias, okay, Kumutis, Setti, Marwari, Patel, Chitara. So the state are there: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. Banias is a special caste which we can found in the state of West Bengal. Community is the special class you can find. These are the all business class people which we can quiz questions related to this entrepreneurship. I hope you have a thorough understanding this particular entrepreneurship classes. An entrepreneur is a person, organizer, innovator who come with the latest technology, changes the business scenario, having the profit to the market. They are the entrepreneurs. And entrepreneurship is a process from creation of the enterprise to deliver the product to the customer. The entire process is known as entrepreneurship. And enterprise and entrepreneur, when you combine, then you can get entrepreneurship. And entrepreneurs are the people who help for the economic development, because they create the employment opportunity, they create certain resources, they create the wealth. Because of the entrepreneurship, there is a disparity, means the power being transferred from one person to another person. There is a regional development occur, the communication system occur, the transportation will develop, the problem of youth, that is tension of getting the job, is being solved, and they can help doing export of the particular thing to the outside of the country, where they can help for the GDP growth. And the main thing is you have to have a creativity in your mind, innovative thing, you have to have a leadership, strong determination you have to possess, and you have to be a planner and able to solve different kind of problems. Then those characteristics will you can find with the particular entrepreneur. And why you have to choose entrepreneurship as a career? Because there is a charm of you are independent in decision making, and your salary is not fixed compared to your salary is unlimited. You can get unlimited amount of profit if you choose entrepreneurship as a career. And whenever whatever the decision you want to take, you can take the decision. You are not dependent, you can take the risk. Whenever you require to take any kind of risk, you be innovative. When you are an entrepreneur, you are not dependent, you can walk outside the organization also. You can make your strong networking skills, strong communication skills to the outsider. So that's why that is the charm of wage employment. You can recruit, the main thing is you can recruit, you can help for the employment. You will not be the employee, you will be the boss, and you are the independent guy. So that's why that is the charm of being choosing an entrepreneur. And the difference between the entrepreneur and the manager is what managers strive for day-to-day activity of the only concern about his salary. He is just an employee of the organization, where entrepreneur is not for salary, he is having the profit motive, where the sky is the limit. And entrepreneur takes different kind of risk, where manager doesn't take any kind of risk. And manager is the not that kind of innovator, but the manager, the entrepreneur has to innovate something into that particular business to sustain in the world. The risk taking should be there, innovation should be there, and arranging different kind of funds also required by the particular entrepreneur. But managers should not take any kind of risk. And creativity is the main part for any kind of entrepreneur. The innovation is the main part for any kind of entrepreneur to be successful, because for solving whatever the market related problem which is coming in and around of the world, which sector they have to go, which product they have to sell, which service they have to offer, for continuous they have to make research. And when they can face those problems in the society, then only they can solve those problems with their creativity, with their innovations also. So for that they have to go for different kind of markets research, they have to take number of decisions for solving those problems. Those entrepreneurs who are persistent in their nature, they are very much successful. Under dimensions of entrepreneur, we discuss about different kind of technopreneurship or intrapreneurship, social entrepreneurship, cultural entrepreneurship, ecopreneurship, netpreneurship, international entrepreneurship. We discuss different kind of entrepreneurship based upon their role, based upon different characteristics which we can found in this particular entrepreneurship. Here in a nutshell, I discuss about all the revision as well as the questions which can helpful for you people for understanding the entrepreneurship, your first unit. Thank you.